Everybody, my name is David. I'm a Coke Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. I just want to give you guys a quick market update. Now, remember, this was 4 days ago. Okay, 4 days ago. Please check this out. This is what I said. It was still in play up to here, but you had this stick, and that candle is above the shoulders. So, unless this is like an extremely amazingly smooth head fake where they're faking everyone out, the head and shoulder pattern is pretty much gone. That's how I look at it. If anything, we might actually have a reversed head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. We see this candle broke above the yellow line. And now that it broke above the yellow line, you saw that it held support. You had a wick down. It held support. And right now it's fighting on the yellow line. All right, so we want that yellow line to be support because it was resistance there. Okay, you even had some resistance here. All right, so now we want it to be our support. And yeah, I mean, once again, shoulder, head, shoulder, and it should move up this way or from around here. That's exactly what I said 4 days ago. And that's pretty much how it played out. Because the Dow and S&P 500 is going up. The market's bullish. Now, I think when the Fed starts to taper, what's going to happen is, I don't know, I could be wrong. I mean, I'm not always right. Like, I saw the head and shoulders, but obviously it didn't happen. The whole pattern didn't come to fruition. We just had the pattern, but it didn't go down. So, I was wrong there. And I was wrong, but I did call the other head and shoulders, and that did play out. But I really want y'all to listen to this part. However, maybe this month and December, we might just see Bitcoin just zoom up to like 136, 130, anywhere between 130 to $140,000, along with the Dow and the S&P 500 just all boom, and then boom, it's going to fall off a cliff. That's actually a very, it's a possibility. So remember, I said this 4 days ago, and if you look at Bitcoin, is already at 68,000, reached 68,500. And that's basically, it came out to be that. I actually think that Bitcoin can reach about, around 70 to 74,000 before you might even have a pullback. It could have a pullback now, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I think it could hit the 70,000 range, 70 to 74,000. And here, because I had to track this real quick. Okay, let me go 5 minutes, 56 seconds into this. Okay. We'll see what happens. Now, I have to say that historically, when you look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has a good October month, then historically in November and December, Bitcoin does well. Bitcoin does well. That's just, historically, that's how it works. So, and I did say that if Bitcoin breaks the previous all-time high, which it did, and heck, even I think printed a candle above the previous all-time high. So, and despite the tapering, I see that as, more bullish than anything, right? So there, I said that 4 days ago, and that's what we're seeing right now. Okay. And so, yeah, November, December, unless we hit like, between $130,000 to $140,000 this month, November, December. And then that's, but I did say, unless some kind of black swan event happens,
unless some kind of black swan event happens, that's what it looks like this month, next month. It all depends how fast we hit that 100, 30 to 140,000. Then, yeah, I see probably all the markets are going to, for whatever reason, who knows what's going to cause it, but, it'll probably go down. Also, when Bitcoin goes down, hopefully in that time, a little after that, maybe the month after, because this is what I think that's what happened in 2017 when I was experiencing it, is a lot of the liquidity in Bitcoin will start going into the altcoins. And, I did also say that I expect KOK-COIN, this was 2 weeks ago, that KOK-COIN should break that 320 and hit that $3.50. $3, 50 to like $4. They're gonna break $4. Now you see the DXY, it has gone down. Let's check out the other markets. Like I've always said, as long as the other markets are strong, Bitcoin should move up. And if you look at the 5-day, yeah, S&P 500 is looking strong. Let's look at the Dow. Let's look at the 5-day. The Dow is looking strong. Okay. And that's why you see Bitcoin is moving up. Bitcoin is looking strong. And KOK-COIN, just if you look at KOK-COIN, the overall, KOK-COIN continues to always just look good. This chart is ready. KOK-COIN is getting ready to make its next move up. So, yeah, maybe, I don't know. Maybe a pullback can happen, but I think Bitcoin can hit around 70 to 74,000 between that time. And for me, actually, yesterday, when Bitcoin was around, when it actually broke, this initial break in here, this is when I actually went all in. I went all in. And it was an excellent decision. So before that, I told you guys I was halfway in. And, when that thing broke, I went all in. Obviously, when it comes to KOK-COINs, I never sold KOK-COINs because KOK-COINs, I keep KOK-COINs because it just doesn't go down. All right. So the value of it is so strong. And as you can see how much, I put in over 2,000, myself. And I'm going to continue to put in more. So yeah, KOK-COIN is excellent, excellent project. So there you have it, Coke family. Once again, I might not be 100% right, but I think in general I've been more than 70% right. That's for sure. And so yeah, hopefully nothing crazy happens in the market, no black swan event, even though there are a lot of crazy things that are happening, but hopefully we can last it out for the next couple months. And, with KOK-COIN, at least for us in the Coke Play family, that you don't see a lot of correlation where when Bitcoin goes down, KOK-COIN goes down. We just don't see that in the chart. So we're pretty good. All right, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, and all of that. Okay. Share the link. Everyone stay safe. Prepare for a harsh winter. God bless y'all. Really, God bless y'all. And Coke on.